Okay, nakuha na natin yung GoPro. Boy boy, go there. Sit down. Okay. Perfect. Ito na yung GoPro. Yan, mag-start na tayong mag-vlog niyan. Ito na. Everything is here. My chest mount. Ayan siyang handle. Ito pa, selfie stick. Oh, yan, nice. That's actually a good price. Okay, can't wait to put this on. Lagyan muna natin dyan. Let's go, guys. Okay. Hey Siri. Siri. Hey Ara. Can you navigate me home, please?
Navigating home now. 20 kilometers, about 22 minutes. ETA 12:15 p.m.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Safe drive home.
So to start full self-drive, you have to press the brake first. Lalabas yung pin. So pin to drive siya. Yan,
No, close. Press the brake pedal first if starting from park with brake confirm on. Then tap to start full self-driving supervised on the touch screen or use the right scroll button.
Okay.
Stay attentive.
Thank you so much, Shara. Bye. Okay, so sabi niya, pwede nating i-press dito at pwede rin nating i-press dito sa scroll button. So let's try here. Press natin dito kung magsa-self-drive na siya. Okay. Oh, wait. I have to press the brake and then press this one. Yun. Yan, ang galing mo. Lalabas na siya ng parking. Yun. Safe naman. Okay, good. Ay, dito pala medyo tricky to dahil meron dito construction. Let's see. Nadidetect niya ba na may car? Okay, wala. Malinis. Sana hindi niya tamaan yung curb. Oh my goodness.
In 200 meters, turn left onto 100 Avenue
Ayan,
Northwest.
guys. Napaka-narrow ng daan, no? Sakto-sakto lang talaga siya. Ayan, construction. Pero makita nyo naman kung gaano ka ang FSD.